In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cloudflare API key. By the end, you'll have a secure token you can use with tools and integrations that connect to your Cloudflare account. First, open your Cloudflare account. If you already have one, sign in. If not, create an account and complete any required verification. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon, then select My Profile. This takes you to your personal settings, where Cloudflare keeps all your account level controls. On the left-hand side, find and click the API tokens section. This page is where you manage access credentials. Many integrations refer to these as API keys, but here you'll be creating an API token, which is a more secure, scoped credential. Click Create Token. Cloudflare provides ready-made templates designed for common tasks, like editing DNS or managing specific services. Using a template saves time and reduces the chance of giving too much access. Browse the available templates and choose the one that matches what you need. When you've found a suitable option, click Use Template. Before moving on, make sure the appropriate zones and accounts are selected in the drop-down menus. Zones usually refer to your domains, and accounts are the organizational containers that hold them. If the integration you're setting up needs access to all your domains, choose the option that includes all zones under your account. If it only needs a specific domain, pick that one to keep permissions tight. This step is important because it controls exactly what your token can do and where it can do it. When your selections look right, click Continue to Summary. Take a moment to review the permissions, resources, and settings. Confirm that the token only has the access you intend. This review helps protect your account by avoiding overly broad permissions. If everything checks out, click Create Token. Cloudflare will generate the token and display it on the screen. Copy it immediately using the Copy button and store it somewhere secure like a trusted password manager or a secure notes app. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly, and avoid pasting it in unsecured documents or chats. Many platforms will only show the token once, so make sure you've saved it safely before closing the window. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to API tokens, created a token using a ready-made template, selected the right zones and accounts, reviewed the summary, and then created and copied your token. You're now ready to plug it into your tool or integration.